Welcome to our channel. If you need to factory reset your Apple Watch to fix issues or prepare it for a new owner, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. If your Apple Watch is paired with an iPhone, it's best to unpair it first through the Apple Watch app to create a backup. Step 2. On your Apple Watch, press the digital crown to go to the home screen. Step 3. Tap the Settings app icon on your Apple Watch. Step 4. Scroll down and tap General in the Settings menu. Step 5. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Reset. Step 6. Tap Erase all content and settings to begin the factory reset process. Step 7. If you have a passcode enabled, enter it when prompted. Step 8. For cellular models, you'll be asked whether to keep or remove your cellular plan. Choose based on your needs. Step 9. Tap Erase all to confirm the reset. The process will begin immediately. Step 10. Wait for the reset to complete. Your Apple Watch will erase all data and restart. Step 11. Once complete, your Apple Watch will display the Hello screen in multiple languages, indicating it's ready for a new setup. Step 12. If you don't have access to the paired iPhone, you can force restart by holding both the side button and digital crown for 10 seconds, then following the reset steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.